Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
And we are gonna go to the right here. Music. Hello. And so you can see this little plaza here, complete with where that comes out to. Very nice. We're going to be going up that street in a moment, going towards Say Cathedral. Right now we're on a street called Grand Praia Avenue, Big Beach Avenue. This one goes to Grand Lisboa Casino, and this is a little photogenic spot. You can see some people taking some photos right there in the photogenic spot. That is like a place you can get some meals at, and it overlooks with a nice windows. And then our focus is going to be to go beyond this 360 Best Mart store and go up the hill. And you also got some beautiful Portuguese colonial architecture on this road, including this yellow one, as well as the modern. But we're going to be going 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. Got the green light. Look at all the people coming as well. So we're gonna capture this whole vibe through all the people. And then we're gonna be going up this hill right here. So that's gonna be our focus, is going up towards Say Cathedral. And we're gonna, maybe we'll follow the crowds. This is Avenida Praia Grande. You got some nice yellow building and green building down there, which are kind of pastel. Then you also have the black and white tiles. So let's go up. And we are gonna go to the right here. And we still got our black and white tiles a little bit. You got a bank on the other side. You have a 7-Eleven here. And we're just gonna walk straight up here. Got a coffee shop. Let me just kind of capture this image right here. So that's the base of this particular street, and it goes down to Praia Grande. And Praia Grande would have followed the ocean. Praia means beach. Formosa means beautiful island, or Thailand, or Taiwan. So this little street is like Formosa Street, coffee shop with the beans. And we're going to be going up our street in a moment. Our street's name is Calçada de Saint John, São João. And then before we go up, we have a little patio right in here as well. So I'm just gonna show it off for one moment. You got a little pension house, a little artwork in there sometimes. In the past I've seen some sculptures at this end of this alley. But our focus is Calçada de St. John sidewalk. Got some music. Hello. Okay, so that's where we started at, Avenida Praia Grande, and we are going to walk up this sidewalk. Got a fast car coming. And there's a cathedral to the right called Say Cathedral, so we're going to walk by that. And then yeah, this street just kind of goes uphill and it goes all the way up to Say Cathedral. Calçada de São João, St. John. And I'm just gonna come straight up these stairs. So this kind of marks this Say area. And I want to get off that road as well. And now we're on St. João sidewalk still. And it goes up to the end here. Then it leads into this patio. And the patio is straight ahead. And so you can see this little plaza here, complete with you know, those little things up there, seahorses, mermaid fish or something. And you got something that says baptismo. I wonder if they did baptisms in here before. And now we're at the Say, so our target street is down that way. Historic center. So now we're at this Largo de Say Square and Cathedral Square. Say Cathedral. And if you keep on walking down, you have lots of stuff down here. Then you have a nice beautiful church, and you also have a seminary, and I think that seminary is Say Cathedral, and I think that's that might be São João seminary, maybe. And then that's our target street directly this way. Calçada de St. John. So I'm gonna come across real quick over this way, and I'm just gonna walk down the sidewalk in a moment. This is the square that it comes out to. Very nice. And if we follow that, we go to Sonata Square and São Paulo ruins. Looks like we got some tour groups right there. And so our target street right here was Calçada de São João. And look at all the tourists. This street, we were so lucky when we went up it because there was hardly anybody to try to get around. But a lot of times I remember it being like just super crazy crowded like that. So anyways, that's Calçada de São João. And as soon as this car ends, we're gonna, oh, we can't. Somebody's turning right. So we're gonna end it right there. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.
Toma cuidado la movida.